Which statement best describes how a musical instrument works? A, B, or C, or D? What did you guys?
Sir, I said B.
B is the correct answer. It's vibrations.
Yay!
Yay!
Let's go.
All right, B is the correct answer. Sound energy is a type of energy that you can see, hear, store, or touch.
You can answer, sir.
Please.
B.
B, you can hear, you can't see sound, can't touch sound, but you can hear it. All right, let's give others a chance. The sun gives us and light energy. Musaba, what do you think the answer is?
Heat.
Heat. Yeah, that's why we have warmth. So that's heat. All energy on Earth comes directly or indirectly from?
You can answer, sir.
Yes, please.
A.
No, it comes from the sun. All the energy on Earth comes from the sun.
Oh.
Yeah. Musaba, let's go for this one. The moon is round, rocky object that orbits Earth. Is it cold? Is it beautiful? Is it windy? Is it warm?
Cold.
Cold. Lovely stuff. The sun and stars do not really move. They only appear to move because the Earth revolves around its own axis. We get dizzy looking up at the stars. Planets orbit around the sun. The moon revolves in an orbit around the Earth. Which one is correct?
Can I answer, sir?
Yes, please, your turn.
A.
A is correct, but also C is correct.
Oh.
Yeah, I feel like C is more correct. What did you write, Musab?
The moon revolves in an orbit around the Earth.
No, it's the Earth that around.
That is a good word.
All right, let's move to question 2. State whether the following is true or false. Light is the energy that travels in rays. True or false?
True.
True.
False.
That's true. The light travels in rays. The sun is much bigger than the Earth. True or false?
False.
The sun is bigger. Okay, let me, yeah, it is. Let me help you. Let me show you. Then Google share kaloku the size of the sun against Earth. You think the sun is smaller than Earth? It's just far, but it's not smaller. You know, when objects are far away, they look small, but usually they really aren't.
Yeah, that's why I thought so.
Yeah, no, the sun is way, way bigger. I just want to show you.
Soup.
Size comparison. between Earth and the sun. Yeah.
Ah, sir. This thing is small, sir. Look, sir.
Let me show you this one. This one. Let's watch this one. We are very tiny compared to the rest of the universe. Can you see that?
Yes, sir.
All right, yeah. Let's just see. It's going to play I wanted to fill the screen. Adverts, YouTube watch. People must get paid.
We
You see?
also of the Earth's orbit around.
That's the size. This is how big the sun is. Can you see?
Yes, sir.
100 times larger.
100 times larger than F.
The sun is very big. Very big.
It's bigger than my forehead.
Hmm?
It's bigger than my forehead.
All right, so let's move on. So the sun.
When your body needs extra immunity support, Centrum's new immune support is there for you. Nature meets science to help support your immunity. You did it.
Ha ha.
I don't know why this thing will go and become large. But yeah, we've made our point. Let's just move on. The piano is not a musical instrument. True or false?
False.
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 False. The piano is a musical instrument. Mercury is the closest planet to Earth. True or false?
Oh,
False.
False. Let's see who's right.
Mercury.
Let's see who's right.
It's me. Please.
You believe in yourself so much. Now, how do I do this now?
It's me.
One, two, three.
It's me.
Closest. There you go.
It's
It's closest to the sun, but it's also closest to Earth.
F.
Ah,
Yay!
I'm wrong.
I'm right.
Let's see. I want to see if this one will load.
We've shown that the closest planet to Earth isn't Mars or Venus, and I wouldn't blame you if you thought that they were. I mean, every map of the solar system shows the Earth right in between those two planets. But the closest planet to Earth is actually also the closest planet to the Sun, Mercury. Don't believe me? Well, let me show you. As you likely know, the planets don't orbit around the Sun in perfect circles. They orbit in an ellipse and not all on the same plane. Venus gets the closest to Earth of any of the planets, but only once every 1.5 years. Mars also gets close to Earth at certain times of the year too, but Mercury, due to its smaller and tighter orbit, gets closest to the Earth most often throughout the year. But Mercury isn't just the closest planet to Earth, it's also the closest planet to Venus, which of course makes sense because it's right next to Venus, but Mercury is also the planet closest to Mars as well. So when you track the orbits and calculate the distance between each planet throughout the year, Mercury is the closest planet to Earth, Venus, and Mars, which is pretty crazy to think about.
All right.
I'm wrong.
The
I'm right.
internet is a wonderful.
I'm right.
How are you supposed to know these things? All right, let's move on. A round shape like a ball is called a sphere. True or false?
True.
True.
True. It is true. All right.
And
Provide
then
a
it's just
scientific
one.
name for each of the following. Objects in space that give off their own light.
Stars.
What did you
The
write?
sun.
Let's see what the internet say. Objects
And the moon.
space that give off their own light.
It's the stars. I just searched it on Google. It's the stars.
You're wrong.
What is that?
They are called luminous objects. You see? Wrong.
We.
All right, let's move on to the next one.
No.
A cold, this one we did, a cold round object that moves around Earth is called
A cloud.
The moon.
the moon. We just did this. Yeah. A very bright star that gives light and warmth to Earth. This one we also did.
The sun.
Your sun. Unending darkness beyond Earth's atmosphere. What is it called?
The moon.
Unending darkness
The black sky.
George.
The green.
Beyond the Earth's
Yes. Let me try to feel my legs.
What did you guys write?
The
Sir?
moon.
No, the moon also. Moony.
Let me show you what it is. It's called outer space.
Outer space.
Outer.
Outer space.
Yeah.
Outer.
Outer.
Outer space.
Outer space, man. Yeah, you can call it that way. All right, cool. Let's move on. 3.4. A large object that moves around a star. What is that called?
Uh,
5. The moon.
Let me give you an example. The sun
planet.
is, what did you say?
The planet.
I think it's a planet, but let's confirm. I think it's a planet. A large object that moves around. This is crazy, man. It won't show me. All right, let's go. A large object that, is that what you wrote there?
Who said?
When? Is that what you wrote?
Yes, sir.
It is correct.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, it is correct.
Yes.
Let me confirm it for you. Let me confirm it for you. No, that's what I need to do.
Ow.
The planet is a large object that orbits the sun. I mean, a star. Knowing that the sun is a form of a star, right? So, like, yo.
Yes, sir. Back for back and
Let's move on. Where are we? A long tall structure that can be propelled into space.
Sir. How can I spell it for you?
Jupiter.
It's not Jupiter. Yeah, you may spell it for me.
O-R-B-I-T.
Orbit.
Yes, sir.
It does not sound right.
How, sir?
Yeah,
How, sir? You say, sir, it doesn't sound right, sir.
it doesn't sound right.
Jupiter.
So it's called a space elevator. Lift.
Space elevator.
Yeah.
Space elevator.
Space elevator.
Yeah. There you go.
Can I go to it, sir?
I'm pretty sure you can, right? Technology is amazing.
You can.
Technology is
Okay.
amazing. All right, we still have a bit of time. Let's do this. Where are we?
There is
We are at question 4.
3.6.
7. 3.
To send a spacecraft into space, it's to
Be an astronaut.
send a spacecraft into space. I don't know why I think it's to launch it, right?
To be an astronaut. Maybe.
Sir,
Look,
it's to say to
Maybe
launch up, sir.
I think it's to launch it, yeah.
spaceship.
We launch them like Chris.
Yeah, baby.
Yeah, we launch satellites. So basically,
Oh,
the answer would be,
probably.
all right, you guys, let's have one conversation. Let's have one conversation.
Yeah.
So this is the answer. Let's move on to the next question. Question 4. Look at the labels. Okay, this one I asked you guys to ignore. Remember this one, question 5. The question was, look at the picture above or go to the picture. Energy can go from a source to energy to where it is needed. This is called energy transfer. You can see it. Okay, maybe if I move that. Right? Relate.
Yes, sir.
During this
I'm
process,
gonna answer.
yeah, I'll give you a chance to answer. During this process, one type of energy may change to another. Suggest 6 appliances and the output energy it produces. So we're going to go to this structure. So the first one, we are going to go potential energy to kinetic energy. So we need to come up with an example of a tool that converts potential energy to kinetic energy. What tools do you come up with?
So, who you come up with if I can't say?
Potential to kinetic.
He can't say. Motor. Oh, yo, yeah. It goes on motor. Sir, sir,
Yeah,
isn't it car, sir?
it is. That's the correct answer.
Yeah.
So that's the correct answer. So potential to kinetic is a motor car, can be a roller coaster, you know, can be anything, because when the car is parked, when it's sitting standstill, it has potential. It can do things, but it's not doing anything until you start it. Then it moves, right? The energy of motion is kinetic. Then we are going to move to light to chemical.
Right, you can call.
So we need to come up with a device that converts light.
A radio.
A phone. A cell phone.
Nah.
A radio.
No, radio converter to so a
A truck.
photocell.
What?
A photocell.
Before the cell, can I get princess?
Look at your screen, man. That's what does that. Let's see what a photocell is, what it looks like. It's something like this. It's like a battery, right?
Oh,
Yeah, but it's a battery. It's a battery that's powered by light.
oh, but
Yeah.
relating all this.
Yeah, remember now, photo. Photo means light. You know, so photograph, photovoltaic. Every time you come across the word photo, you must just know that it uses light somehow, even your pictures. That's why you have a photograph, right? Because it uses light. So let's move on to, we're almost there. Chemical to mechanical. I think they've given you an example there, battery and stuff. Battery, so it would be a camera, but let's see if that is true. Right? Chemical to mechanical.
Chemical.
Yeah.
Chemical to
Device that converts chemical to mechanical. It's an engine, right? Because your engine uses petrol. Again,
Oh, yes.
petrol is a chemical, right?
Yes, sir.
Then for a car to move, it uses mechanics in the engine there. So that's that with that. Let us move on to mechanical to sound. Can you guys guess which one uses mechanical and converts it to sound?
a radio.
I think so too.
Above.
I think so too, right? Mechanical to sound. Or you can say a loudspeaker, but a radio is correct. So, but like a loudspeaker sort of thing, you know? But if you say radio, you are also correct.
Correct.
Yeah. Let's move on to, I feel like this is the last question. Because this one I couldn't see. Electrical to light is very simple, right? It's a light bulb. We don't even have to search that one. Again,
Yes,
torch as well. A torch. Okay, let's see what the note says. But a light bulb would be that, you know, electrical to light.
yes, sir.
What do you think it's called?
It's got a ball, sir.
Bulb, a light bulb. Is that a light bulb? All right, guys, let's call it a night. Was this only?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, because this one I don't know. I mean, I'm trying to see what this could have been. Unless you guys can help me, we still have a minute. It's chemical to heat. Let's check. It's chemical to heat. What do you think? Changes, converts chemical to heat.
Sour sweet.
Fire.
Sour sweet.
Gas stove.
Sir?
Gas, a gas stove. It
Oh,
converts.
girl stop.
Yeah.